Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again for returning to my channel called Postcard Marketing 2019, where we take the direct mail advertising and we use postcards to make it a lot cheaper. We use combination online, offline, and direct mail marketing. And we're talking about the best of the techniques and training of 2019 as far as direct mail and postcard marketing goes. So, now there's going to be a quick, easy, short little one today. By the way, for you guys who are new, you guys and gals, go ahead and, if you haven't already done that, go down below and sign up, please, for the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any of these. I do training videos every single weekend, and so far this is going to be number 20. So you want to eventually, when you have enough time, go back to the beginning and go through every one of these. But for right now, I just wanted to show you what a great job that the place called Next Day Flyers has done for me with the custom postcards. I made these postcards. I designed them myself because for the Cash Club Fund postcard, I was going to use the John's postcard, the ugly card website and card, and it has the use code on there, which would point that to me, of course. And but the thing is, on the back side, it didn't really have any instructions or anything, and a lot of the people who sign up for these, they're pretty new to anything and everything, and they'll just sign up for whatever program they can find. But we want them to go ahead and be a success, because the more commissions they make, the more commissions we make. So we need to train them a little bit. So on the back side, I wanted a custom where I could put, you can read it, a nice, powerful description. Let me see. There. Now you can see it. This crazy simple postcard makes me thousands every week, and Cash Club type mailing clubs provide hundreds of dollars cash. Excuse me. A little bit of a dry throat today. It's a little bit cold and windy outside. So you can see there's basically simple steps there. Takes them right through it, gives them some kind of idea what they need to be doing after they get their free kit, their marketing kit. What's going to happen is when you look at the bottom left corner there of the postcard, the way I have it sitting for background on top of the brown cardboard box that it come in, all 1,000 of the postcards. I've got 500 mailed out. Took them down to the main post office. That'll save a couple of days in getting these out into people's homes. Well, you see www.novastarprofits.ws. That's a custom domain name from my Global Domains International website, which I'll probably make a video on here for you, pretty quick training video for that. But you get a custom click, drag, and drop website builder complete with hosting and 8 custom domain names such as this one, all for $10 a month. And it sounds pretty incredible, but it's true. There you can see it. Now I used what we call domain pointing, which if I clicked on that, or actually if I had the postcard in my hand, I was the person receiving it, and I typed that into the web browser and then clicked enter, what would happen is it's pointing over to my ugly card from postcard website from the Cash Club Fund website, my affiliate website there. So you click on that. The reason I wanted to disguise that a little bit, because that way people have no idea what that is. It's original, right? So they see that, it sounds pretty good, they want to click on it, so they click on it, and they can't say anything except for the opt-in page. You opt in, boom, you've got them captured in the email now. So you have them on your email list in your back office of the Club Cash Fund website, and you can see the code right there that I put there. That's my own personal code, like my affiliate code. So when they click on that and they see the opt-in, then they're also going to have to type in that number. And that way I get my credit, I get my sign-up credit and so on and so forth, that customer belongs to me, I got that person signed up, etc. It all goes through the software. You can also see my YouTube channel there. The link for that is there. You put yours in there. You can copy this all you want. Just word for word if you want. Feel free to do so. I suggest it's a good idea. Just like training them, you'll get more commissions doing this by putting some kind of instructions in there ahead of time for them. So like I say, some of these people, newbies, they got no idea how to go to the website once they get it figured out and get logged in, how to navigate through it or anything else. At least this way they have some kind of idea to give them some kind of idea what they're looking for. Now as far as the finished product, that's the back side. You can also see the front side is the colored picture. Now the bills, the $100 bills there held up by the hands, they look a little distorted. That's okay. I don't think that matters much. So what happened is that came from a a business card. So when you enlarge it that far, it gets a little bit pixelated, meaning a distorted image. And I don't think it matters that much. I think it looked fine to me. But Next Day Flyers did this for $125. I got 1,000 of these postcards. They're all custom made, designed by myself, as you can see. And they did real good on it. They notified me right away with the first picture had what was called a watermark on it. Well, I pulled that through a set of supposedly free pictures from the net, so it should not have had a watermark on it. I did not see a watermark, but they could see it on their end. So instead of saying, let me see a picture of it, whatever, I just saved time, got the nearest other handy photo that I could have, which came off, like I say, was for business cards. And they told me, sent me a quick email then, that it had distorted image, pixelated. So I said, well, show me. I want to see from your end. So I see what you're seeing there. I don't think that matters that much. So I said, go ahead and go for it. And they went ahead. And so this whole thing went by very smooth, very quickly. This is called Next Day Flyers. By the way, I thought Postcard Mania was so cheap, but that's only for 5,000, not 1,000. This Next Day Flyers, once again, is the absolute cheapest for like less than 5,000 that I could find anyways. So anyways, that's mostly what I wanted to do and show you and tell you today, how the progress is coming on this direct mail project. It's now direct mail. I mailed 500 of these postcards in the green envelopes for St. Patrick's Day, big promotion that I'm doing. Instead of mailing the postcards with the stick-on labels like that, I'm putting them inside the green. They're actually called A7, like A for apple, A, number 7, invitation envelopes is what they're called. And they came with the not peel and stick, but you pull off the strip, thus exposing the sticky side to close and seal the flap. So it went very quick and easy. I did handwrite all the addresses and everything, so on and so forth. This was this first mailing list of 500 was from Mark Barish, and I'll put his link down there along with all the other links as usual in the description box down below there where you can find them. You can sign up for the Cash Club Fund for free. Go there, go to the website, and get your sign up for your free starter kit. Gives you all the rules, descriptions, how it works and everything. And when you're ready, then you can go ahead and send in the registration fees and such and get going on the projects. This one here is almost done, and then we're going to have an envelope opening party. Yes, sirree. Ladies and gentlemen, it'll be a lot of fun. So anyways, so much for this postcard marketing, this direct mail marketing message for today. Thank you once again for coming to my channel called Postcard Marketing 2019, the best postcard marketing techniques of 2019. Thank you, and have yourself a very grand and blessed day.